Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make the famous Shish Tawook. But before that, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First and as usual, we're gonna see our ingredients. I have here 400 grams of boneless chicken cut in cubes, half cup of plain natural yogurt, 3 spoons of tomato sauce, 3 minced garlic cloves, vegetable oil, a half lemon juice, 2 spoons of mustard, small spoon of sweet paprika, half spoon of curcuma, small spoon of garlic powder, small spoon of onion powder, half spoon of sumac, quarter spoon of black pepper, and finally salt. We also gonna use some tomato and bell pepper, different colors, some onions, and some roasted sticks. I left it in soak for around 2 hours. These are our ingredients, and now let's start preparing our Shish Tawook. Add all the spices and the salt over it, the garlic, 3 spoons of vegetable oil, the tomato sauce, the mustard, the lemon juice, and finally the yogurt. Mix all together very well, cover it, and put it on the fridge the whole night. On the next day, this is our chicken. Now we're gonna put it on the sticks and roasted it. Let's see how to do that. Finally, this is our Shish Tawook ready to be cooked. In a frying pan over medium heat or roasting pan, add some vegetable oil, wait until it's hot, then add our Shish Tawook sticks over it. Cook the Shish Tawook over medium heat. Do not use a high heat to make sure that the Shish Tawook will not burn before it's cooked well. Cook the first side, then turn it around. Cover it with some lid, a pot lid, to cook it with the steam that's going up from the cooking. Leave it covered for 15 minutes, then uncover it. Cook the Shish Tawook from all sides until it's well roasted. And take it down. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Shish Tawook. You can eat it with rice, alone, or with pita bread. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.